First of all, I have been getting a lot of criticism on how slow I talk, so I decided to speed it up. Even picked up a book about 6 months ago.
And what page are you on?
On page 163.
Where is your bookmark then?
My bookmark is on page 14.
Are you lying, aren't you?
Yes. Please stop recording. Welcome to the 4th episode of NSKLE, where you're watching me. Today's location is Fortress St. Juraj, plus nearby Cave Srbani. Fortress is really easy to find. I will put a map here and plus code in the description below. But for people who don't really use Google Maps, you need to go through village Donje Srbani and last turn right on the white road before cemetery. But it's better to park your car on the cemetery because it's like 1.5 kilometer in the distance. Fortress St. Juraj or Santi Quaranta is a protected culture in the municipality of Bertonigla. It was built on a very strategic position. Sniper boy approves! Above the mouth of river Mirna and its harbor Pišine. On 140 meters above sea level. Fortress is in trapezoidal shape, divided into northern and southern part by an interior wall. Today only well-maintained walls are still visible. The center of medieval town was once in the northern part, but today is an archaeological site with ruins of Church St. Juraj. According to historical sources, the first owner was Aldeus de Castro S. Giorgi in 992, and the last owners were Bartolomeo and Bertuccio Mancini from Buje, who owned it until the mid-19th century. Snack break. After seeing the remains of Fortress, we are heading to the most interesting part of village Srbani, and that is Cave Srbani. The view really speaks for itself.
Feeling about this.
Cave Srbani is located on the northern part of Mirna Valley in the cliffs, approximately 500 meters from the fortress, on an altitude at 48 meters above sea level. cave has two entrances, a vertical and a horizontal one. Vertical entrance is 1.2 meters wide and approximately 5 to 6 meters deep, whereas the horizontal entrance is oriented toward the south, is 4.7 meters long and 1.7 meters high. Let's check the data. With its rich archaeological finds attracted the attention of Boris Batic, who was one of the pioneers of modern Eastern archaeology. During his series of excavations in 1974 and 1975, he found prehistoric pottery fragments from Roman period and Middle Ages represent as minority. Cave with her archaeological riches represent one of the more important sites in Israel. If you're interested in learning more, make sure to check the links in the description below. Thank you for watching, make sure to like this video, comment and subscribe for future videos. Peace.